love the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, CD player, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.